My name is Plumm. I am a musician, artist, creative. I explore sound worlds and texture and the utilisation of the human voice. A big part of what I do is improvisation, and especially as a vocalist and someone who's kind of been around the jazz scene, vocal improvisation I really found my voice through it. Be my choir, bring the fire, can we start? I use a loop pedal to explore a sound world, and I build up vocal textures and vocal sounds to really get stuck into improvising as a soloist, you know, on my own, and really see how instrumental our voice can be. I also play keys and singing and play in various bands and various collectives, and just want to eat as much as I can. Music is food. Music and food are the same. I feel like I was always going to make music. I think I started making music and singing and being creative from such a young age. Always playing like timpani and percussion and school, choirs. I was playing drums from a really young age and singing, and then piano. The Abram Foundation is an artist development program which I got into start of last year, and it's amazing. They basically take lots of individuals and they take us through how we see our career and how we can actually put ideas into focus and into motion. What the Abram has done for me is kind of really concrete where I'm going and what I need to do in order to get there, with mentorship and help and opportunities. The advice I would give people starting out in music is live your authentic life. The more authentic and true to yourself that you are and the things that you're learning and absorbing and taking in, you will just admit good art, you know. You're able to put things into focus, and don't be afraid to try things out.